This is my first time using a glueless wig, and honey, this is the cutest and easiest wig to style. Let me show you how to go about it. Hey favorites, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I hope you miss my face. I am Favor EK in case you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this beautiful glueless wig from CurlsCurls. They sent us another wig and I'm excited to try this one out. So gather around because there are lots of teas to spill about this hair that would make you love it just as much as I do, okay? So sit tight and do keep on watching. Right now, you're looking at the 13x6 Burmese curl. This is a glueless wig as I mentioned earlier. This is about to be my new best wig. Would you like to know why? Well, let me tell you. Now, here are some dope things about this wig. I mean, things that when I tell you, you're going to fall in love with this hair. First of all, it's glueless. It comes with a pre-plucked HD lace and it's super full yet lightweight. I mean, it's a 180% density wig, meaning it's so full when you brush it out. You're going to see what I'm going to show you. If you use a comb or a brush to brush this out, you can wear it while full, or if you don't like that, you can actually use water and leave-in conditioner and it gives you something totally different that you're going to love. I'm going to show you all these in this video, so do keep on watching. The wig is customized to fit your head, so you can either choose a small size or a big size. This is a small. Honestly, I wished I chose something bigger because it seemed a bit tight. So please, if you have a small head size or you think you have a small head size, I think it's better to go with large. You can easily hold it using the band at the back. It's honestly better than getting a small. I requested for a small, but the small was too small for my head. So please, if you think you have a small head size, it's better to go with big. It's better to manage it like that than getting a super small wig. Okay. Another fun fact about this hair is that you can style this wig in any way you want. I mean, you can style the closure or the frontal any way you want. Do you know why? Because it has a 13x6 parting lace, meaning you can part this from the middle as a C part, from the side. You can even braid it to the back if you want. Like, the qualities of this wig is endless. As I said before, it's not just a frontal. It has a deep wide parting space. That's parting lace, sorry. Yeah, so which means you can part this anyhow you want. You can do like a half up, half down. I did something like that and it came out so cute. I'm going to show you the video of that at the end. Honestly, I can go on and on and on about this hair, but then all details about it is going to be in my description box. So once you get to my description, click on the link and it's going to direct you to the website where you can get this hair. I'm also going to leave the price on the screen if you're interested. I know I've said a lot about this hair. I've been talking since the beginning of this video, so at this point I think I'm going to let you watch the video, although I'm tempted to still talk, but let me let you watch it. Enjoy this video. Okay, I have to come back to talk because I want to express how much I love this hair. As you can see, this is so beautiful. The kind of compliments I've gotten wearing this wig is a lot. This is another way to rock this hair. This is the wet look. So if you don't want to go with the full version, you can use water and leave-in conditioner on the hair. It really helps in defining the curls and it brings it out even more, making it look so juicy and nice. Trust me. In defining your curls, you can use any conditioner of your choice, any leave-in conditioner. So all you need is water and then a leave-in conditioner. Now the next thing to do is to brush it out to make it even more defined. So you have to keep doing this process till you're done with the entire hair. Tell me in the comments, which one do you prefer, the dry or the wet version? So I kept on going back and forth with the hot comb, trying to flatten the top and then the front to give it some kind of look, right? I didn't experience a lot of shedding while brushing this hair. Ladies and gentlemen, mostly ladies, choose one. Do you prefer the wet or the dry version? I think honestly I'm a dry version girl because I love big hair. Now after styling this hair in different ways, I decided to try out something cute and spicy. So I twisted some parts of the hair and I added some hair accessories to it, and baby, this came out so nice. Tell me in the comments which one of them is your favorite. Is it the dry look, the wet look, or this other style I did? All information you need about this hair is in my description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join this beautiful family and for more beautiful videos like this. I really can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.